Hi everyone, Maggie here, and I'm going to show you my unboxing of the BedJet V3 and tell you more about the BedJet. So I discovered the BedJet with this past winter, and it is basically a cooling and heating system for your bed. It is a motor with a tubing that connects to your sheets, or you can get a special sheet for the air to circulate through your bedding. It is a great product. I got it because I am menopausal because of my treatments, so it helps me sleep throughout the night without waking up in a drenched sweat or shivering or anything. So it's really a great product, and it really has helped me sleep better and more soundly, I should say. Now the BedJet just came out with the newest version. It's the BedJet V3, and it is a smaller motor, makes less noise, fits under more beds. It's still a little bit tall for my bed, but I can just lift up my bed and shove it under, which is great. I just got it about 2 weeks ago, and I set it up last week because I was out of town, and it's super easy to set up. Instructions are really easy to read. Just make sure you read them before you even start putting it together, because it'll just make it smoother. Now, you get a thing that goes under your bed, which I'm unboxing right now, and it adjusts to the height of your bed. So it might take a couple of times, which you'll see. I had to take off some of the links to make it the right height for my bed, but it truly really helps me sleep better, and my dog even loves it. Vicky sleeps with me, and she will kind of stare at me until I turn it on, basically. So I highly recommend getting this product, especially if you are in cancer treatments and you get hot flashes and you wake up in a drenched sweat. This product really has helped me sleep more soundly, not wake up in those sweats, and it's just a great product.